Today we're working remotely on a Ram 2500 Cummins powered, which is awesome. And this is a dirty truck with mud all over the sides. The inside looks like crap, as you guys saw in those before shots. And first thing we're gonna do is start pressure washing the outside, getting all that stuff that's somewhat loose on the surface removed before we foam can it and get this thing washed. For the wheels and tires, I'm spraying on Mint Shine Wheel Cleaner, which I have linked down below for you to check out. It is a really good product of just spraying on, letting it sit for about 40 seconds or so, and then pressure washing off and removing pretty much every single ounce of dirt on them, including caked on brake dust. But I like to use my brushes as well, especially when it comes with truck tires, because the tread blocks are so unique. And then also inside the barrels, making sure I'm using that wheel brush to get in there to remove any dust on the back of the wheel face and inside that barrel. So during these details, you can get really tired. You can deplete all of your nutrients and vitamins and electrolytes. And one of the things that I like to do in the morning when I first wake up, but also while I'm detailing these cars, is use AG1. AG1 combines 9 healthy products working together as one, replacing your multivitamin, your multiminerals, pre and probiotics, immunity support, all in one simple scoop. That means AG1 does more for your body and saves you time, money, and confusion compared to taking multiple unique products all in one. With 75 high-quality ingredients, AG1 covers the nutrient gaps in the modern diet. It also keeps your gut healthy by combining nutrients with other critical ingredients like probiotics, prebiotics, adaptogens, and more that work to help support gut health so that your body can better absorb the nutrients that you're taking in. AG1 is an effortless daily habit that is easy to make work for you. However you choose to drink AG1, it's the healthiest thing you can do in under a minute. And when I'm out detailing cars on mobile jobs, AG1 travel packs make it super easy for me to stay committed to my intentions wherever I am and whenever I need it the most. So I want you guys to click the link in the description box below and head to athleticgreens.com/Stauffer Garage, where you will receive a 1-year supply of vitamin D3 and K2, along with 5 free travel packs of AG1 on your first purchase. So head over there and check them out now. The saving grace, I think, for this truck was the fact that the owner is smart and has some nice plastic rubbery floor mats in there to catch all of the dirt, so that way the carpets don't get soaked up with the stuff, which just makes extracting more difficult. So yeah, pressure washing floor mats is by far one of the easiest ways to keep them clean. With these seats removed, you can see there's a lot more dirt than we would have actually originally thought. It seems like it all collected directly underneath them only. But yeah, so removing the seats is kind of a priority and a crucial component when it comes to cleaning up these trucks. This feature right here is actually something I did not know existed in this truck. It creates a nice little workbench area I honestly contemplated taking a nap because I was tired from working on a job the day before. But yeah, this is a really cool, unique feature I did not know exist. And I think this is part of the reason why I like enjoying and detailing cars in particular. You get such a wide range of them that you can see all the uniquities and just special things that make them what they are. So for the leather components inside this vehicle, I'm using Mint Shine leather cleaner and conditioner along with Fox Clean drill brushes to agitate that leather cleaner on the surface. You probably can't see how dirty these seats are, and this goes for anybody's seat. You know, even if they look clean, your body oils and just a little bit of dust over time really does make them dirtier than you realize. As you'll see here in a second, when I remove this tape, the before and after is quite dramatic. You're pretty much just restoring that leather to new, but you're removing all that surface contaminant that you probably wouldn't have even noticed, to be honest. I think one thing I need to add to my garage is drop-down hose lines. This shop had several of them, which made it super easy to just pull down the ones I need and just switch my air gun over to blow out all those cracks and crevices that had APC inside of them. And if you don't have air lines, you know, one thing you can do is just pick up those cans of compressed air to kind of blow them out, or use your vacuum to try to suck it out. Those are two different options that you can do to remove any of that extra cleaner that you have that gets inside those different cracks and corners and crevices and slots and doohickey. Yeah, list goes on. Now I have a question for you guys while you watch these before and after shots. Do you want to learn more about flipping, how to make more money? Do you want to learn more individual tips and tricks on detailing? Or do you want to learn about more of the investment side of what I do in particular that is outside of car related stuff? I've been contemplating starting a new channel specifically on finance, on real estate, on different ways to start a business and be profitable. All of these tips and tricks I am happy to share with you. And if you want to learn more and want to see that, let me know in the comments below. And if you have not seen this video on the screen of this flip from last week, definitely check it out. I made a lot of profit on this one.